Hey you guys, and welcome back. Happy new month. In today's video, it's going to be an exciting one. As you've seen from the title, I'm going to be trying on my first Shein wig ever. I've never tried a wig from Shein, so this is gonna be fun. This did not get sent to me, I bought it. Repeat, it did not get sent to me, I bought it. Let's get into the deets. So this is 100% human hair, as you saw on the front of the box. It is a 13x1 8-inch water wave wig. Downer though, I didn't receive any goodies inside of the box, just the hair alone. So this is literally what you get out of the packaging. I didn't tamper with it, I didn't do nothing to the wig. This is what you get out of the packaging. What I did notice first off the bat about this hair was that it did have a very funny smell. You know that manufacturer smell, you know, where, you know, they keep the wigs. That was the smell that was coming off of this unit. So I know you guys want to know all about what the cap construction is on the inside. So you get about 3 combs and adjustable straps. A bonus is that the unit does come pre-plucked slightly, not too much, just slightly, just to give off that natural look. So if you're a beginner watching this and you want to purchase this, you don't have to do too much when it comes to the hairline. But in today's video, I left the hairline untouched. I didn't do nothing to it. I didn't go in and pluck it. I left it how it is. And remember, this is a 13x1. I've never tried a 13x1 lace front wig before, so this is gonna be real different. This is a 13x1, so that means you do not get much parting space, just a tiny bit to work with. But once I put this unit on my head, I was like, hold up, wait a minute, this is looking real cute. This is looking kind of cute. Okay. And this is also transparent lace, so this is gonna make it easier for you to melt and blend the lace into your skin. So your girl can't leave the lace how it was, all white, and you know, it just wouldn't blend in with my skin tone. Like, come on now, I'm a black girl, I can't be leaving the lace white. So here I'm going in with my foundation and just applying that to the entire lace so that it can blend in very well with my skin tone. Now that's what we're talking about. If you're a woman of color, please don't miss out this step, because this will give you that ultimate melt. I always used to do this step in my older YouTube videos, and I was like, do you know what? I'm in a rush, let me quickly do it this way. And I actually do miss, you know, cutting the lace off this way, because it is so much easier, and it's so much easier to install this way. And for the sides, make sure you cut off those air tabs. If you're a beginner, make sure you don't cut your whole damn air off. If you're watching and you're a beginner and you're about to install your first wig, or you're just about to install a wig in general, make sure you have a comb. Got to be the yellow tub or a glue of your choice, and there got to be freeze blast spray. Always make sure you got that, because that's what's gonna hold your wig in place. Like, the got to be freeze blast spray is your best friend. So I'm going to continue this technique all the way around the front part of my head until every part of the lace is laid down. So if you are a new wig beginner watching this, don't worry, just watch what I'm gonna do. Elleece got you, and you will finesse this in no time. Literally, just all you need to do is lift up every flap and add the glue, like so, and then on top add the freeze blast spray to get it more tacky and then apply the lace and get your rat tail comb and press the lace into that glue so that it stays laid. And just repeat, and that is all, guys. This is my second time, I believe, that I'm trying transparent lace. Yeah, this is my second time using it. I usually get wigs with a light brown tint to it, light brown lace, just so that it blends better. But even so, when I do receive those wigs, I do bleach it and add my foundation on top just so that it gets a more proper melt. And I did not bleach this unit, I left it how it was, and as you guys saw from earlier on in the video, I just added foundation on top. Then next I added the elastic band to hold the wig in place, and then I got my blow dryer just because I was in a rush. I don't usually use the blow dryer, but I was in a rush this day and I just got that just to speed up the process. Then bit by bit I'm just cutting off the excess lace, and you can see that I'm cutting in a zigzag motion. It's very, very important that you do it this way, because if you just cut straight across and all the way down, and to the naked eye it's gonna show like you're wearing a wig, and you don't want that. So make sure you cut in a zigzag motion, just so that, you know, when you hit that sunlight it will look like it's a natural hairline. And no product is going to help that hairline. No other holding spray will help. It will still show that you cut the hairline straight across. Take it from me, guys, I learned the hard way, so I know what I'm talking about. So I just added a little bit of hair grease and water to the hair just to define the curls. Then for the baby hairs, I went in again with the Got To Be, the yellow tub, and just swooped my baby hairs. Do you know what, guys? I've literally come to a point where I actually don't like baby hairs anymore. Like, it gives off that wiggy vibe. I should have left this as a no baby hair look, but you know what, next time. But yeah, guys, you know, the no baby hair look is way overdue, and that will be the next video. I promise y'all, I promise. So this video is coming to an end. Like, Shein, you have got me. Like, you've really surprised me. It's human hair. It comes straight pre-plucked out of the packaging. It comes with baby hairs. It's so soft. Like, I'm shook. You got me hooked. If you guys want to see another Shein wig install, let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed, leave a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.